Hi, my name is Vincent Davenport, a security specialist at Microsoft UK. Let's talk about overexposure. Picture this: a shared folder containing sensitive financial data is inadvertently made accessible to the entire organization or even publicly available on the internet due to misconfigured permissions. Employees who don't need access can now view or download confidential information, while external actors may exploit the misconfiguration to steal data. Overexposure of sensitive resources, whether intentional or accidental, is one of the most overlooked yet critical risks in cybersecurity. It creates opportunities for data breaches, regulatory violations, and reputational damage. The risks associated with overexposure are profound. The Microsoft Digital Defense Report emphasizes that improper configured resources are among the top cases of data breaches in cloud environments. Key indicators for overexposure include unusual file patterns, such as external guest users being granted access to these sensitive file shares, or access to files by users outside of their regular roles. Another critical signal is changes in permissions or sharing settings, especially those that make sensitive files accessible to broader audiences. These activities may be accidental or malicious, but in either cases, they represent a significant risk to your organization. Microsoft Sentinel detects and mitigates overexposure by monitoring file access patterns, permission changes, and data sharing activities integrated seamlessly with our platforms, Microsoft 365 and SharePoint. Its user and entity behavior analytics identifies deviations from normal access behaviors, such as unusual downloads or unauthorized external access. Sentinel then correlates these anomalies with changes in sharing permissions and prioritizes alerts based on the data sensitivity, enabling security teams to focus on those critical risks. Automation playbooks can quickly address overexposure by revoking improper permissions, notifying administrators, and preventing further incidents. To address overexposure effectively, organizations should begin by enabling Sentinel's data connectors, such as the collaboration platforms like Microsoft 365, in addition to data connectors such as Azure Activity, Syslogs, and Microsoft Entra ID, among others. It's also recommended to deploy analytical rules, such as these tailored to detect overexposure. So looking at things like unusual file access patterns or permission changes. The full list of recommended data connectors and recommended rules are accessible at aka.ms/SAF use cases.